Here is the living room, big one. Here will be the kitchen, fireplace, a very, very big balcony with mountain view and also some sea view. Here is the bathroom. One room. Here it will be the wardrobe. The balcony with also some sea view. Heating pump. The biggest room. Also here a second bathroom with a douche. A small office, or you can use it for the laundry. And the third room, which also you can go out to the balcony.